Whatever. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a slime airplane, a mini one. So what we're going to need is an observer, sticky piston, normal piston, and slime box. That dig it. Go away. This is my cousin. Say hello. Okay. So first, you're just gonna want to make it a bit high. Oh. And then make sure you have two like that, because the observer's gonna go here facing this way. And then make sure that this one is a normal piston. Then you can just go over here and then put the observer, and then put a sticky piston there, and then how do you start it? Oh yeah, and then put a slime there. Then that's basically it. And then you can add like wings and stuff, and maybe like back part or something. And then that's how you start it, pretty much. Just put a block right there. And then it starts. And that's it. It's not the best, but it works. It's kind of short video. Wait, I don't know if it's loud. Hold on. I don't know if you could hear me or not. Anyways, that's it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all the video is, and it's pretty much all you need. It's the easiest one I found. Then just, and then just add stuff or something. No. Oh god. And it stopped. I put too much. Oh well. That's it. It's fairly easy. Like you're doing the same thing. Jeez, not supposed to add that. You're doing it wrong. No. Yes. Oops. Oops, sorry. Oh, pleb. There. Then that. Then destroy that. And then, oh yeah, this front one also works if you put a block there. What? Don't destroy mine. I'm gonna destroy yours. How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? Anyways, oh, and she left. Okay. So, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. It was a short video, but now you know how to make a plane. And once you memorize it, it's pretty easy. If you do everything right, you're set. Whoops. I'm just gonna make another one real quick. Oh, she's back. Then put a block. Anything could be that. There you go. And then you could write on it, which I like. You can stay on it without falling off. And any mob can, for example, or if they're like on a slime block, I think. Place, oh wait, I forgot. I was doing another video with her that she probably won't upload, because she never uploads any of her videos that she makes. And, oh well, I mean, yeah, see? You're staying. See? No, get your boat out of my boat thing. It also works underwater, of course. There's two wishes now. I'm gonna make one of these dogs mine and attack the witches. Oh, sorry, this is messing around. So, hope you enjoyed. I don't know. Just, I don't know. Do stuffs. Oops, this is slime block. Yes. Okay, whatever. This is it. And if you want to friend me on Xbox, that's my friend's gamer tag, and that's my gamer tag. Mine is the Puny Julian 900, and she is unbeaten going to 65. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. And goodbye.